So a brand new streaming application giving you access to thousands and thousands of TV shows and also some live TV. Now this application is absolutely free. It works great on your Fire Sticks and your Android TVs. The application doesn't require any kind of VPN, and the application has a very large library focused primarily on UK content. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Fire Stick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. Now the application in question is called You, which is a slightly bizarre name, but it was previously called UK TV Play. So when I said a brand new application, really it's just a brand new name for an application that's been around for some time. But with this latest update, they definitely have added in more content, more TV shows, more on-demand content that you can go ahead and enjoy on all of your devices. Let's open that up. So I'm doing my demonstration on the 3rd generation Fire TV Q, but the application works fine on your other Fire Sticks, Fire TVs, and of course on the Android TV platform. Now when you start the application for the first time, you can see on the left here we've got the main menu, which has search, where you can search for different content. You have home, categories, channels, A to Z or A to Z. You can set up a watch list and then your account. Now the application does require you to create a free account, but it takes less than 5 seconds. You can use any random or made up email address or temporary email address, sign up, and within a couple of seconds, you'll be inside the application. You can click on account. I would recommend going down into where it says manage cookies. And I personally turned off the performance cookies as well as the advertising cookies, because the less things we have monitoring or logging or storing information on our device, typically it will mean the application should perform better. And of course, less personal data is collected about you. Let's go back. Now, if we just start in the home section, this will show you some of the popular content in the application. You can see some new series at the top. You can see a box set. And the great thing about box set is it does truly mean you'll get the entire show or the entire series to watch directly inside the application. So not just a single episode or a couple of episodes, you get the entire show. Here we have new to you, you as in you of the application, what the application is now called. And you can see some of the new stuff that they've been adding. And it's always worthwhile checking out because as with all of these official applications, they are regularly cycling content, adding in new things, removing in older stuff. So even if you have used the previous version of this application, it is always worthwhile coming in and to see what's some of the new content that's been added. And you can see some different things in here. You can also go to view all to see all of the newly added content. Here you have some MasterChef and some other stuff. Just for a quick test, if I try this Justice, you can see some information. You can see exactly how many episodes you're going to get, which is 15 episodes. It's based on true crime and it's in high definition. But just try one of these. Let's try episode 4. Give that a second. We are now streaming that episode. That's working absolutely fine. Let's go back. Then you got stream every episode. So this is the section which has all of those box sets. So here, for example, we've got Madam Secretary. And you can see you have 120 episodes to enjoy. So complete box sets. You can go ahead and binge watch all of these favorite shows. Lots of different things. Then you have categories. So if you're interested in comedy, documentaries, you can filter and break down the content like that. So I'm only interested in documentaries. I can click on that. This will then filter out the content. And I can now see all of the documentaries included in this application. And the great thing is even the documentaries are then further divided into separate subcategories. So here are the engineering documentaries. Then you have history, best of British Isles, natural history, got some Attenborough there, hobbies and pastimes. So you're interested in museums, toys, classic cars, lots of different things. All of that's included. Let's go back. Then you got medical marvels, true crime, classic British dramas. I'm sure you'll have some good stuff in here. You have spooks, Pie in the Sky, some of the classics. Then you have comedy, full throttle entertainment, crime drama. Definitely some popular stuff in here. Uncovered the past, must watch documentaries, So you can see, guys, lots and lots of different varied content, all accessible directly in this application. You got the classic hello. Let's go back. They have A to Z. Click on that. And this will now show you all of the content broken down alphabetically. Now, if you long press something, you can see here, for example, I can click on the heart icon here. Let's click on that. And I believe that should then add this to my watch list. Let's go back to the left. If I go to the watch list now, you can see I have one episode in there or one show in there. So super easy to use and a great way for you to navigate through the entire content of the application, find some of the shows or the series that you're interested in, add that into your watch list, and you can then go ahead and directly access the content. And you can see the application does also support continue watching. I can click on that, and here you can see some of the things that I was previously trying, and all of that's working absolutely fine. So overall, guys, a great application, lots of content focused primarily on UK shows, UK series, works great on your Fire Sticks, Fire TVs, and doesn't really have many adverts. Now, to get this application on all of your devices, go over to your application store, go over to search, click on search, and just search for you, and it should be the first one on the list. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see this application in the Google Play Store and the Amazon App Store, I will save a copy of the latest version directly onto my website. Just navigate over to tdoctoruk.com, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get this new version of the U application on all of your devices. And just before you go, guys, let me share a super special offer just for the month of September, where you can now get total protection for unlimited devices. Doesn't matter if you have 10 Fire Sticks or 25 Android TVs and 4 laptops, all of your devices will be covered with a single license. You can then change your IP address, change your virtual location, you can hide your online activities, you can access all of your favorite streaming applications wherever you are in the world. Really, to get all of that for just $2.19 a month, I really think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. And they also give you those 3 months free. Using my link does help support my channel, so many thanks if you want to do that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. Do leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.